Okay, folks, this is affordable off-road recovery. Sharing with you a few videos, the recoveries that we do. Obviously, Hurricane PD called us to go and clean up an accident. We believe it's a Mazda 2 or Mustang, something like that. So we're going to share with you to see how bad it is. We really like you guys, and I hope you still have joy of all these videos. Anyway, stay tuned, folks.
Today we got a call from Hurricane PD to an accident, just to go and clean it up. They said it was a Mustang, but as you can see, it is not a Mustang. It's almost a Mustang. It's a Mazda. So come on, I'll show you the damage. As you can see, it's nice and clean in the back, but come around the front. They just took out all the front end. You'll see the video when we're picking it up. Now it's out our lot, waiting to get transported. So stay tuned and enjoy the video.